Time to get up. What's it, Upsy Daisy? Today's a big day for us. I know. You say the sweetest things. Alright guys, let's head outside. Wow! The outside looks amazing from up here. So do you like it? We love it. What's that? I'm your friendly neighborhood Ninky Nonk. Sorry, what do you want to be? Surprise us. Okay, here we go. Alright guys, we're here. No way. We're in the rainforest? Have fun you guys. Well, that's just great. We're home away from home. Now hold on guys. We should build our own houses. Okay, I'm gonna go build a bed that rides on wheels. We should build a clothes hanger. And a bus. I should build a cave out of rocks. Okay, have fun. How we get home now.